We are playing Mr. Bullet.
This is so hard. First of all, this is so hard. We want to use our brains.
We have to use a brain. This is so hard.
Only one bullet, enough.
Or reload. I need an arm.
Don't want, brother.
Sorry. I need an. It will advise you have to be stuck. Sorry, guys. Hey, Subway Surface. This guy loser. Get lost. Please. Please. Oh, yeah. Was.
Bhavin, you want little bit cake?
Oh.
Hmm?
No. No.
Cake?
No. Sorry, guys.
Ah. Kavin,
Here, heads off.
little bit? No? Kavin, last bite? You want?
No.
It's a coke. Fine.
Sorry, it's my mother.
See cake, fine, ma?
Oh shit.
Oh.
What a beautiful shot.
Graveyard.
So hard. Now my turn, Kavan. Please.
I'll put an TNT. People goes to an TNT.
Fantastic. Now my turn.
Let's, my friend. Victory try. Victory the victories.
Papa Tamar?
Now my.
Ha, cool. Now my turn.
Play more game, Kavan.
Oh,
Simple. Simply doing one shot.
one shot. One shot. I like that song. Do you know Ferran? One shot, one shot. Oh, grenade. Claim.
Mad ad.
Drive mad. We have to mad and drive.
Don't want to will do and
रहे नहीं बेटा फ्रीज वगैरह
Okay. Oh, I forgot. It's your turn. Sorry.
Simply I can finish this.
Oh, we have to use all our brains in that. 1 minute. Oh,
Fantastic.
in one shot. I thought it will take years. All. Bro, are you crazy?
Simply.
Oh, awesome. Shoot the TNT. Oh my god. In one first try. Now better your turn.
First of all, I want
Blood.
that.
Serious?
Simple headshot.
Oh, Mr. Scorer? Oops. Drive you mad, idiots.
This ad
If you-
making us mad.
If you want to drive, you can drive mad. Right, Betty? Mr. I got scammed by no reason. Guys, France, Spain won. Let's go. This guy's a Messi fan, bruh. Betty's a Messi fan, guys. Huh, what the heck was that? I thought it will. We need a lot of blocks here. Bro, what the heck is this? What the heck happened? I need reloads. Sorry, 1 minute. See this? Idiot. I need reloads. Sorry. Reloads. This game is hard. What? This game is actually hard. Reload. Oh, now finally. Oh, fantastic. Nice. Okay.
That's crazy.
Bruh. Serious? That's the easiest shot I could ever. It's slow. If you don't make that shot, you have to reload. Reload. Let it come near, okay? Come near. Oh yeah, awesome.
போடு என்ன ஆகும்னே தெரியல.
They're having.
அதான் சொல்றேன்.
Oh, sit down.
இங்க போறோம். இங்க போக கூடாது.
Blast. Oh, we're the great in this game.
You're not the great. I'm the great.
Back shot. How nice.
Oh, I'm not gonna claim. Hey, 2 reloads, no tanks. Oh, new game mode. Hostage.
First of all,
Word. Now your turn.
bullet beats.
Hey, are we gonna hit John Cena?
அத்தை எல்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்காங்க.
John Cena is killed. Bro, I think you're gonna go to here. Sorry, John Cena. Oh, John Cena even got an headshot. John Cena, you are my favorite, but I have to kill you. Oh, I'm gonna do a RPG. Sorry,
No thanks.
no thanks. Sorry.
இல்ல இல்ல நாங்க
I think we really need an RPG. Ready? Use it. Ah man, I hate you, Bali.
இத வச்சுக்கோ.
போறோமா?
கவின் வெற்றி எந்திரிங்க.
போலாமா அவன் கேட்ட கேள்விக்கு பதில்
பாய்.
சொல்லு.
நம்ம எல்லாருமா போறோம்?
இல்ல எல்லாரும் தான் போறோம். அப்புறம் யாரெல்லாம் இருக்க போறோம்?
நான் கார்ல எனமத்துமா.
இடம் பத்தாதுல்ல.
Bye guys.
சாய் எங்க விட்டுட்டு போயிருவோமாடி?